Hi everyone, it's Artist from Man Carpentry. Dan is helping us today as well. So today we are gonna fit a porch which is in oak. It comes pre-assembled basically. As you can see, there's bits here, bits there, so it kind of 50% assembled, I would say. We'll see how that goes. We know that we got to take some tiles off, mostly to get in position. It's slightly bigger than the old one, so but that's okay. So yeah, I think this is off-the-shelf one where you give your dimensions and you get it obviously made to your specifications. So this been ordered from the website. I'm not sure which website, to be fair, but we'll see how easy or difficult it is to assemble it and put it in a position. So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Hi, so we've done the sides. As you can see, we propped them roughly in position, so it's all dry fitted. Next step for us, we will be putting the back rafter in with the ridge, and that will give a strength for construction. And obviously the front bit will be the hardest, but so the trouble is we've got not really great space to work around, so we're gonna have to just see how it goes. The only other way I could think is bandstands would be a way out, but we'll try off ladders. If not, then we're gonna have to think of another way. But yeah, so we'll get the back on, so that should hold it together so it doesn't go anywhere. We'll put another batten on the front so we can clamp it, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. Right, just to catch up. So the first part of the job is done. As you can see, it's all up in position. There's not many pieces to assemble, obviously, but in one way it would have been easier if that gable end would have been apart, because it made it quite heavy. So you might need a extra pair of hands with you when you're doing that. We managed to get it with help of someone else. So, but yeah, mainly 2 people should be able to fit that. So next job is to get it felt, batten it, obviously tile it, and yeah, and finish off other bits and pieces, gutter, downpipes, etc. And that's it. So I hope you've been enjoying it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit.